Hello students, Professor Muhammad Bilal is here in front of you. So welcome to in my YouTube channel. Here today I am going to tell you what is English grammar. So I will deliver a lot of lectures in about English grammar. So basically it happens in my classes that most of the students ask a question that sir we can't understand English grammar rules. So how you will learn English grammar? So English grammar basically it's art. It's like a math. If you know math, if you know the rules of math, you can easily solve the questions of math. As it is like in English that if you know the rules of grammar, you will easily understand the grammar, and you will be easily write the English grammar and the English notes as well. So today I'm going to tell you what is English grammar. English grammar is the set of structure of English language. In English grammar, you must have to know how to join the words, how to join the helping verb with verb, and how to add subject with verb with object. So this is a set of rules. When you able to join these words to each others, you will be easily make a sentence, and you will be easily make a language. So today I'm going to tell you what is English grammar. Simple sentence that Ali is going to school. So here, if we know that Ali, what is Ali? Ali is your subject, is noun, is helping verb, going is main verb, for form of verb or verb plus ing form, to is a preposition, school is object and noun as well. In English grammar, a name is given to these words like subject, verb, object, adjectives, adverb. It's called parts of speech. So basically parts of speech we have 8 parts of speech according to old grammar and writers, but in new writers like Rainmatter says now we have 9 parts of speech. It's a vast topic, and we will discuss in detail. So the next step is as I have told you a sentence, Ali is going to school. So this sentence refers to present continuous tense, and Ali was going to school, past continuous tense. Ali will be going to school is future continuous tense. So we're gonna give a name of this sentence. This is called tenses. Tenses was topic. So tenses are very important in English because you have to write sentences. At that time you need tenses. And out of tenses, if we in common language, in daily usage, we use different sentences like come here, where are you going, what are you doing, why you are not coming to help me, can you give me a glass of water please, come here, get out. So these sentences we use in our daily life. So in English, we categorize in like types of sentences. These are called type of sentences, in which affirmative sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences, assertive sentences. So these are types of sentences. So when you learn tenses in well form, then you can convert these tenses according to the situation. Like Ali eats an apple. A simple sentence: Ali eats an apple. Present indefinite tense. So when you learn tenses in well form, then you can change these tenses into another form. Like Ali eats an apple. An apple is eaten by Ali. So you write a sentence that an apple is eaten by Ali. So this is called active and passive voice. So our next topic is active and passive voice. So active and passive voice basically they have 9 in our English grammar. So when you learn active and passive voice, so then you will go to the next step. Your next step is, for example, if you know tenses, active, passive voice, parts of speech, types of sentences, so then you can you know how to join 2 sentences. For example, he said, I'm going to school. He said, I'm going to school. So here are 2 sentences. He said, I'm going to school. So these are in inverted commas. So then at this time you will be able to convert these sentences and by removing inverted commas, and you will make one sentence. So this situation is called direct and indirect or narrations. So these are very compulsory for students. So when you will learn direct and indirect, so your next topic is what? In this situation, you will have a lot of vocabulary, you will have a lot of grammar. So now you will be able to change the sentences in another form. Like you will hear songs, a lot of songs in your life, like Urdu song, अगर तुम मिल जाओ ज़माना छोड़ देंगे हम, अगर तुम मिल जाओ ज़माना छोड़ देंगे हम, तुम्हें पाकर ज़माने भर से रिश्ता तोड़ देंगे हम, अगर आसमां तक मेरे हाथ जाते तो कदमों में तेरे मैं तारे बिछाता. तो so these songs are these songs can be converted in English grammar according to the rules and regulation. For example, अगर तुम मिल जाओ ज़माना छोड़ देंगे हम. If I get you, I will leave the world. If I get you, I will leave the world. So these if sentences in English grammar, we call it conditional sentences. So conditional sentences, basically we have 4 conditional sentences: zero condition, first condition, second condition, and third condition. So these are also important to write your stories, to write your essays and whatever. So your next topic in English grammar is what? Your next topic is paragraph. If you will learn conditional sentences, direct, indirect, active and passive voice, tenses, types of sentences, and parts of speech. So in this, after then you will be able to write a paragraph by joining different words and different grammar rules and regulations. If you write a paragraph, so your next step is you have to compile many paragraphs. If you will able to compile many paragraphs, so this is called essay, right? And when you will write an essay, so after then what you will do, you will have to compile a lot of essays in in like a book shape. This is called thesis. Your last step is thesis. So when you will come in your masters, when you are doing masters, so in masters you will must have to write thesis, because it's compulsory in different universities. Either you have any department. For example, you are doing masters in MA English, you are doing masters MA Chemistry, Physics, whatever. So you must have to write a thesis in that condition. So for thesis, in my point of view, in thesis you need these all grammar rules and regulations. So then you will be able to write a good thesis. So I hope you will understand today's my lecture. So it's enough for today, and thank you very much. Mohammed Bilal.